Are you struggling and overwhelmed of trying to build a business online because you don't know which way to turn to get the help that you need? Well, stay tuned, my friend, because in this video, I am going to review the Home Business Academy. And this might be the very thing that you're looking for. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscription button and the bell icon button so you'll be notified when I do videos just like this. And don't forget to let me know your biggest takeaway down in the comments. Okay, with that being said, let's dive right in. Okay, today, right now, I am going to share my screen with you. And we are going to go into the back office of the Home Business Academy. Okay, let's try that again because I'm not seeing it on my end. There we go. Okay. This is the back office of the Home Business Academy. And this is basically where you get started. But if you want to do the quick start, that's Affiliate Zone. I'll go over that a little later in another video. But right now, this is where you get started. And this is what you're going to do is you're going to watch these 3 videos first. And they welcome you for getting started. And then here you're going to watch join our private community. You're not going to watch it, but you're going to join the private community in the Facebook groups. And this, they have, I believe it's 11 groups Monday through Friday, 11 different groups Monday through Friday. And on Monday, they have the mastermind group, which starts at 8 o'clock Eastern. And that is awesome. And that's where the founders are on there, and they're teaching you and just, and even guests, they have the guests, those who are doing well, and they're sharing, their different strategies with you, which is awesome. And then they have, other groups on Monday through Friday, Tuesday through Friday. And the good thing about what I like is that it doesn't matter your schedule, because they have groups where you can plug in and get started. And if you work 7 to 3, 3 to 11, 11 to 7, it doesn't matter. They have something for you that you can plug in and get started. And then you want to here you have the 3 simple steps to building any business online. Then they have the funnel builder training and the frequent asked questions, creating your funnel build pages, mobile optimization tips, custom code and pixels, URL directs and pretty link, exit pop-ups. They have the privacy policy and terms and templates. You can share funnels in the HBA, tracking leads with Builder, selling your own products. Okay. One click, upsell, downsell pages. They have membership sites. They have a lot of things in here. They even have appointment booking widget. They have, you can create your unique graphics. Just to name a few here. It's a lot back here, but it's a lot of value too. They have, you can confirm, authenticate, and add SPF record for your domain email with GetResponse. And this is very important to do that so you can get more sales. They have free auto hosting and player. You can upload PDFs in the builder. And they have the linking anchor points. You can change the background colors. There is so much back there. It is. It's awesome because it's so much value. I love it. They have how to build a traditional site, transferring domain to the HBA hosting, and then you pass name to thank you page. So they really have a lot of things there, and the key is to go through the videos, and sometimes you might have to go through it 2 or 3 times. I know I have to. to really get the gist of it, to understand how it works. But it's good, and once you get it down, it's phenomenal. It's really, really awesome. And going back to plugging into the community groups, that's very important too, because they're there to help you. You know, they're there to walk you through it step by step. And if you have any questions, you can put it in the Facebook group, and they will get back with you to help you get through whatever situation that you're in that you need an answer to. So this program is number one. Is the number one program out there, and not only that, where you get 80% in commissions. You know, that that's phenomenal. That's unheard of. But yes, this is an awesome program, and I highly recommend it. If you're trying to start an online business, and you really don't know which way to turn to get help, I'm telling you, you turn here to the Home Business Academy, because this is where the answers are, right in here, and they will help you. We are a family, and that's the good thing about it. And as soon as you join, it's like they just welcome you with open arms. And I tell you, I love it. I love this program. So there you have it. The Home Business Academy. And until next time, my friend, I will see you on the next video.